Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Prophetic Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress Hooks tutorial for beginners and this is our part 7. In this video session guys, we will discuss about the action hook called admin notices, and this is the link guys that actually by going through this link you can study all the documentation of admin and notices. Okay, and also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our other playlist and all the videos of this playlist to get the clear concept about WordPress Hooks tutorial. So basically guys, we have a question is that what is admin notices? Basically if you go to administrator panel and now inside this panel, if you want to actually make some notice to the admin section, suppose if you want to give some error, some of the successful message, some of the warning messages, as well as some of the information messages. So in those formats of messages actually we can show to the admin by using admin notices admin hook. Okay, so if you go to editor, so this is the plugin guys so far we have made to understand about the playlist of WordPress Hooks tutorial, and this is the last session that we have studied about admin bar menu. Okay, so if I make comment of that and let's make a function called function, let's OWT admin notice. Okay, this is a function and basically let's make a add action hook called add action, and here is called admin notices. Okay, and the second parameter we are going to pass this as a callback function, so just make copy of that and paste it here. Okay, so if I suppose write any message inside this callback function, so how can actually it works? So let's say echo, let's say that this is simple message. Okay, so if I save this file, go to administrator panel, reload this page, and now as we can see that this is the message. Okay, if you go to another page instead of this dashboard, let's click on post section, this message is still there. Okay, so basically this is called admin notices. So how can we make some formats, some of the CSS layout for that? Okay, so basically WordPress provides a common layout for making information box as well as for the notices message. Okay, so how can we make format of these messages? So just back to editor. So instead of this message, if we get rid of that, I'll just close this right here and let's say div, just close this div, and now inside this div let me declare a class called notice. Okay, this is actually WordPress provided notice class. Okay, and now let's say that we want to show some error messages. Okay, so notice error is a class. Okay, so inside here let me pass a message. Okay, so basically it's inside paragraph tag, let's say this is error message of admin panel. Okay, so if I save this page, go to browser, reload our administrator panel, and now as we can see that this is a panel basically refers to error message. This is the CSS guys actually WordPress added itself by using class called notice and notice error. These are the WordPress default defined classes. Okay, so here we have to understand about the admin notices action hook. Basically by using this action hook guys, if you want to suppose so any type of error messages like success, warning, information or any kind of error, then we have to use called admin notices. Okay, and according to our use, according to our need, we can actually change these classes. Okay, so if suppose we want to show instead of this error messages we want to show some successful message. Okay, so instead let's say that success. Okay, so here we have to change the message, this is error message, so this is success message. Okay, and remember we have changed here class also, notice success instead of notice error. Okay, so if I save this file, go to browser, reload this page, and now as we can see that the color has been changed from red to green. This basically indicates that this is a successful message. How actually WordPress uses these notices? If you go to plugin section, let me activate some of the plugin or deactivate some of the plugin. So just I'm going to click on this deactivate button. Just click deactivate, and now as we can see that plugin deactivated, and as you can see that this is notice success, which basically WordPress default uses. And here we can see a button is there of cross icon. I'm going to click on that, and now this is disappeared. So basically guys, this is the uses of admin notices. So how can we implement the cross icon right here? Okay, so if you go to editor, so here we have to add a class called is-dismissible. This is-dismissible is a WordPress default provided class. By using this class guys, actually we can make a cross icon into our panel. Okay, so if I save this file, go to browser, reload this page, and now as we can see that this is our success message, and here we have implemented a cross icon. So if we click on that, and the message has been disappeared. Again go to dashboard, and now this is the successful message. Okay, so according to our need guys, we can implement either successful message, either error message, any kind of warning, and any kind of information if you want to show, we can use the action hook called admin notices. So basically, what are the default WordPress provided class for admin notices? So if you go to slides, open a new tab, and if suppose we want to show success message, okay, so we have a class called notice called success. Okay, if suppose we want to show some error, okay, so we have a class called notice error. Okay, and also if you want to show something warning, so we have a class called notice warning. If you want to show something information to the user or admin, so we have a class called notice info. Okay, and also if we want to show our cross icon to close the panel of message, we have a class called is-dismissible. This is the class that we have to add to show cross icon, okay, or close icon. So basically guys, these are the classes that we have to use according to our need. Okay, so if you back to editor, so basically this is for the success. So if we change suppose some success from warning, so if we save this file, go to browser, reload this page, and now as we can see that the color has been changed from green to yellow. And also if we suppose change to warning to info, save this file, reload this page, and now the color has been changed. So these are the things guys that we have to study about admin notices. So how it is beneficial for us. If suppose we have made a plugin, and now inside our plugin there are several forms that we have used to save all the details. Okay, so while saving all the details, if you want to show the message to the admin that the details has been saved, so by using admin notices we can show all these messages. Okay, if suppose we have some error while saving or any kind of error, so at that time we actually by using notice error messages, by the help of this action hook we can implement that functionality too. Okay, so this is the beneficial, or this is how beneficial WordPress provides called admin notices, as well as there are several classes that we have to remember while using this action hook. So I think guys, by the help of this video session, we actually understood about admin notices and the classes that WordPress provides to show all these messages. Okay, so if you have any error in this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.